How to make an entire house smart with a tight budget. Today's video will show you how to do it. You can have infrared equipment such as TVs, air conditioners, projectors, and lighting smart. If you don't want to carry keys daily, you can choose the smart door lock, which can open the door with your password and fingerprint. For the switch, you can choose the BLE switch from Geeklink. It is suitable for both new constructions and renovations of older homes. Besides, arrange a smart curtain in your living room. In the morning, when you turn on the wake-up mode, all the curtains will be open. Install this 4-inch screen to act as a central gateway and place it at the house's entrance, showcasing your smart home setup to visitors. Pressing the screen will execute scenarios or devices. Seamless and smooth experience. Moreover, this solution is based on BLE mesh. After purchasing the equipment, ordinary electricians can install it. For more information, please feel free to consult.